In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove background music on CapCut. Whether you're editing a vlog, a tutorial, or a creative project, having the right audio is essential. Sometimes the background music in your video might not fit the vibe you're looking for, or maybe you want to replace it with your own custom soundtrack. Thankfully, CapCut makes it incredibly simple to either mute all audio or remove just the background music while keeping the rest of your audio intact. If you're new to CapCut, don't worry. This step-by-step guide will walk you through the entire process. And if you don't already have a CapCut account, you can use the link in the description to sign up and start editing today. Now let's dive in. First, let's talk about how to mute all audio in your video. Start by loading your video into CapCut. Once your video is open, take a look at the timeline at the bottom of the screen. Find the video clip you want to work on and select it. This step is important because CapCut needs to know which footage you want to edit. If your timeline has multiple clips, make sure you carefully select the right one to avoid muting the wrong section. Now, direct your attention to the right-hand panel of the screen. You'll see several tabs here, and you'll want to click on the one labeled Audio. If you're new to the software, it might take a moment to locate this tab, so don't worry if it's not immediately obvious. Once you're in the Audio tab, you'll see a volume slider. Drag this slider all the way to the left until it reads 0 decibels. By doing this, you've effectively muted all the audio in your selected clip, including voices, background noise, and music. This method is perfect if you want your video to be completely silent or if you plan to add an entirely new audio track later. Next, let's move into removing just the background music while keeping the rest of your audio intact. This method is especially useful if your video contains dialogue or sound effects that you want to preserve. To start, right-click on the video clip in your timeline. A menu will appear, and from here, select Extract Audio. What this does is separate the audio track from your video clip, allowing you to edit the audio independently. This step is essential because it gives you full control over what stays and what goes. After you've extracted the audio, you'll notice a new track appearing just below your video in the timeline. This is your separated audio track. Click to highlight this track so you can make changes to it. Once it's selected, you have two options. You can either press the Delete key on your keyboard, or you can right-click on the audio track and select Delete from the context menu. Either option will remove the audio track entirely, leaving your video without any sound. This is a great method if you're looking to replace the original background music with your own choice of soundtrack, voiceover, or other audio without interference from the previous audio. And that's it. With these two methods, you can either mute all the audio in your video or remove just the background music, depending on your needs. Now, you're ready to customize your video's sound exactly the way you want. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.